Hey guys, we received this material, the knife sharpener. It's a one-step ceramic handheld portable sharpener with a pull-through for sharpening and restoring razor-sharp blades. So you can see it's a very nice small portable knife sharpener with these four rubber things, so this will not skid while on the countertop or on the table. The process is described how you can use, so it's like a pull-through model that you have to put one side of the knife and pull it through the other side. So this sharpening is really nice and thanks the quality of material company looks good. And this is the knife from the materials as well. And you can see like the sharp end and we can just put it in here and just pull it through so that this is how you sharpen the blades. It's pretty straightforward process, very handy and you can put it anywhere you want and it's helpful in sharpening your knives or the kitchen knives or anything you want. It's a pretty nice thing to have.